In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam fatal error. First, right-click on your Steam shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and make sure both options there are enabled. Apply the changes and check if the issue is resolved. If it's still not working, open the Start menu and search for Run. In the Run window, type in netcpl.cpl and press OK. Navigate to the Connections tab, click on LAN Settings, and make sure the Automatic Configuration option is unchecked. Then test Steam again. If the problem persists, try running Steam in repair mode. Right-click on Steam, go to Properties, and copy the target path. Open Run again, paste the path, add a space, and type Repair at the end. Press Enter to launch Steam in repair mode and let it scan for issues. If none of these solutions work, the last option is to perform a clean reinstall of Steam. Go to Apps and Features, find Steam, and uninstall it. Before reinstalling, you can back up your Steam Apps folder by